Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO V50 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So, first of all, enroll the settings. Then find and select home screen, lock screen and wallpaper and click on Wallpapers. Tap on agree. Now choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Pick the one that you want to apply and mark apply. Tap on allow to activate step count. And here it is, let's go back. And as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.